Hi, I'm Den. Today we will learn how to make this mask. It's very easy. I have already prepared everything for the tutorial. Create a solid. And be sure to choose black color. Select the ellipse tool. We begin to draw something similar, as I have. If necessary, you can customize it. Mask feather set at 55%. Click on the button where it says inverted. Mask expansion set at 500 pixels. And put a keyframe. Move to 100 frames. Mask expansion set at -192 pixels. Select the keyframes and press F9. I hope you liked this tutorial, and you will not forget to like and write a comment. I love you.